Let me show you what you can do to fix navbar not displaying on the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy A27. So the first thing that we can do is we can go to settings, and then over here in settings we're gonna start by going to notifications. Over here we're gonna go to the lock screen, and first of all you want to make sure that lock screen notifications are enabled. If they are not, then well, most likely you will not be able to use the navbar. Besides that, in order to make sure that navbar works properly, you will need to show the content of lock screen notifications. So over here in notification settings, if you go to hide content while locked, over here we need to show always the content even if the phone is locked. So that means that you will see the content of lock screen notifications. Of course, you can still add exceptions by going to app notifications over here, and if you choose any app from here, then you can decide if the content should be hidden or shown. However, these apps that work with the navbar, they should have the content visible so you can actually control them. So what you can also do is you can go to lock screen settings in the main menu of settings. Then over here we can go to navbar, and you want to make sure that these live notifications are enabled, especially for those apps that are supposed to be there. So if any app is not showing up, you can just go over here and make sure that these options or these apps, these live notifications are enabled. Now, if everything is set up, then we should be able to go to the lock screen, and you should be able to use the navbar quite easily. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.